If you want to grow an abundance of big, juicy tomatoes this year, this is the video for you. As you might know, all harvest in the garden starts with planting that seed. So I'm going to share our method of starting tomato seeds and growing strong seedlings to transplant into your garden. In order to start tomato seeds, we're gonna need 6 things: a module tray, compost, your seeds, plant labels, water, and optionally a bottom water tray. The bottom water tray is optional, but it does give you more control over watering. Starting off with our module tray, it's important that it has big holes and good drainage capability. I've gone ahead and went with the 40 cell. It has about 4 centimeter cells. So if you have something similar, that's fine, as long as the drainage capabilities are really good. Now for our compost mixture, I've gone ahead and got some general compost and I've mixed in some vermiculite. And the vermiculite really helps with water distribution. Now we are starting more than 35 varieties this year, so it's important that we keep track of what goes where. And since we're gonna start all of them in just one tray, we really need some plant labels. I have a small plant label here and I'm just gonna write it all out and make sure that I know what's gonna go where. The biggest mistake in planting seeds is everybody's planting them too deep. So as a general rule, your seed needs to go in as deep as they are big. So for most seeds, they only need to be covered lightly. Tomato seeds, for example, there's only a light sprinkle on top needed in order to start the process. Let's create a trench for the seeds and pop in a row. I like to plant about 7 to 10 seeds. This way we can cut away the ones that are weak and we'll still be left with 5 strong plants to be transplanted later on. Once the trench is made and the seeds are in, we can cover it back up by pinching the compost from the sides back on top. To firm the seeds in their spot, lightly press it down. Now that all the seeds are in, it's time to start watering them. And if you're now gonna grab a watering can and water from above, all the seeds will flush away and mingle with each other. So the best way to do this is water them from below. We're gonna use the bottom water tray. We'll just fill this up. There's these edges. The tray will stand on top of the edges. So above the edge, we will put in about a centimeter or a little bit less than ½ an inch of water. Gonna fill this up, put the tray in, and we'll know when it's done because then the compost will get darker and will get wet. It's been only 8 days and look at the germination rates. We have over 200 tomato seedlings right here. The next step is thinning them out and also pricking them out into their final tray. In order to prick out our tomatoes, we're gonna grab a 15 cell. You can also use P9 pots. We just prefer this because it's easy to carry and you don't have loads of separate pots standing around. I did mix some compost again. It's just some general compost with some vermiculite in it. And now that the tray is filled up, all we have to do is get our prick out tool and start pricking out the tomatoes. I'm gonna grab 1 cell at a time so I know which variety I'm doing. And we're just gonna prick that out and transplant them. I've separated 1 seedling. I'm gonna grab my mini dibber and I'm gonna dip quite deep. We really want to plant them deep because along the stem there are tiny hairs and all the tiny hairs will start creating new roots. So we're gonna plant it quite deep, almost completely to the leaves. That will really help with forming a strong root ball. Let's do the rest and fill up the tray. So the last step is butter watering our seedlings. I'm just gonna grab our bottom water tray, fill it up with butter. We're just gonna put the seed tray on top of the bottom water tray, let it slowly soak up all the water as we did with the seedlings. And we're just gonna put it in the attic again, underneath our grow lights and continue to grow. If you wanna learn more about starting seedlings, here is our propagation video.